So, hi, dear Cancer. Very, very good evening to you guys. So, we are going to do the weekly Moonology Oracle cards reading because I don't have those shows and cards with me these days. So, I'm going to read the messages from the guidebook itself because I don't know how to read this cards properly. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. I'll find the links below. And if you want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. So let's start. Cancer, let's see what we have for you guys for this week. So, 10th of November, new moon in Scorpio. Work through your fears. Let me see the message. Time to let go of a grudge you are holding. Move on from jealousy. Stop being obsessive. Could it be you are being paranoid? Make an investment, okay? And the affirmation or guidance for this day: have some good time, sexy time. It's written in the book. I don't know the meaning of this sentence. You figure it out for yourself. Cancer. 11th of November, we have gibbous moon. You are very close to achieving your goal. Let's see the meaning here. I'm not completely healed yet. I'm on my way. So thank you guys. Now is a good time to review your plans. Keep the momentum going as you move towards your dreams. Stay focused. It's a good time to start a new project. You need to get back into good health habits. Hmm? Affirmation or guidance for this day: I know that I'm on the right track. Good for you. 10th, 11th, 12th. 12th of November for Cancer people, void of course, moon. Nothing will come of this situation. Let me see the void of course, moon. 102. The chances of something are diminishing. Something better may be around the corner. Believe that you will get what you need. Surrender to the divine. Take time out, meditate, and contemplate. The guidance or affirmation for this day: I trust in my highest good. 10th, 11th, 12th. 13th of November, fixed moon. Hold your vision. Let me see. Fixed moon, hold your vision. I'm slow. Bear with me. Staying power, faith, or patience are needed. Someone needs to back down, avoid stagnation. A personal or professional relationship will be enduring. The affirmation or guidance for this day: yes, just say the word a lot and see how it feels. So today affirmations should be positive the whole day and see how it's going to change the whole day in a beautiful and positive way. 10, 11, 12, 13. 14th of November, full moon in Cancer, a personal issue reaches resolution. Hmm. Full moon in Cancer. Meditate to soothe heightened emotions. Don't be clingy. Stop sulking. I think I'm talking to a child here. Don't be clinging. Stop sulking. Have you had enough family time lately? Okay. So the affirmation or guidance for this day is: it may be best to move towards what you want in a sideways manner. Okay, then 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. 15th of November, cardinal moon. Be bold and make the first move. Be bold and make the first move, cardinal moon. Let's see. Be bold and follow your heart and your emotions. Avoid recklessness or moving too fast. Come into your power. The time for action is now. Ask your angels, ask your spirit guides, or ask your higher self for help. The affirmation or guidance for this day: I am taking charge of my destiny. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Okay. 16th of November for Cancer people. We have full moon in Taurus. Your dreams need a practical plan. Let's see. The messages for 16th of November for Cancer people. Laziness could explain your current situation. If so, change that and own it. Chasing money doesn't work. You need to chase a dream. Jealousy or envy create negative energy and attract negativity. More exercise is called for. Affirmation or guidance for this day: write down 10 things that you know are wonderful about you. Okay, Cancer. The final guidance for you guys for this week is: your commitment is being tested. First quarter moon. Let me read this for you. First quarter moon, 28 number. There could be some challenges coming your way, but they are just the universe's way of testing you. The first quarter moon calls for you to face any hurdles with confidence. What do you actually think is possible? If you believe you can do it, then you probably can. If you spend your life affirming that something is too big for you to surmount, it probably is. See how it works. Do you believe your dreams will come true, or have you secretly already given up? Showing some commitment now will help you move towards your desired outcome. What you believe to be true is true for you. So believe in yourself. Okay. The additional meanings for this day, for this week, sorry, the additional messages for this week as guidance. The answer to your question is yes, but not yet. If you have anything going on inside of you, you were seeking for the answer, here it is. Yes, but not yet. You are halfway to your goal. You still need to put in a bit more effort. Sometimes we just need to realize how much we want something. You need to recommit to someone or something. Affirmation or guidance: I'm committed to my dreams and move towards them with confidence. Got it. So these are the messages for you guys for this week, Cancer. Let's move on to Leo. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.